Hello, Leathercrafters. Class is now in session. Okay, hello, Leathercrafters. I've got a little wallet here I made for my grandson, one of my grandsons anyway, and it measures 2 7/8 in width and 8 inches in length. What I'm going to do is use this soft cowhide, the smooth side there, to line this, and then I've got my lightweight 5-ounce card slots. You can either put some dollar bills in there, and he doesn't have credit cards yet, which is a good thing. So anyway, got Woody Woodpecker carved in on this side, and then Landon's name carved in on this side with a couple scrolls. So what I'm going to do right now is to mark out my lining slightly bigger, just kind of rough it out, mark it with a pencil and allow for folding it over. The lead was broken, that pencil. Okay, I'll allow about that much. Allow a little bit, because if I cut that exactly to fit, it would probably take up a little space there. So right now I'm going to put a coat of glue on this. For this I'll be using Master's Cement. Give this about 5 minutes to kind of set up before I glue it. Now my glue is set up, and I will glue the lining in. Let that set a little bit, and then I'm going to trim the edges off. Or trim the lining off is what I meant to say. Let that sit for just a little while. While I'm waiting on my glue to kind of set up, I'm going to go ahead and scribe a line around the edge here, 1/8 inch in. Around the edge, and then come back and set my dividers at 3/16, and I'm going to mark my stitches to be 3/16 apart. be kind of a saddle maker's pop stitch, like you would pop stitch a saddle seat in, a padded seat, or in a lot of cases pop stitch the candle binding. So anyway, that's what I want to do here. I think it'll look pretty cool. Preparing my knife blades for trimming, as well as I'll sharpen my stitching awl. This is a India stone, kind of medium fine grit. This is a black hard Arkansas up here. Strop it a little bit, then wipe the residue off the blade. I like my leather trim knives or Leathercraft knives to have a pretty good hook on them. The cutting edge works a little better if it's got a hook on it like that. I think this is the sewing awl I want to use. Make a hole in my leather just tight enough that it'll hold the thread nicely. Still feels like it's got a little burr on it, on the tip there. Okay, now it's time to trim the lining off.